So today's Monday and the market is not working because of the Labor Day. Again, this week, tomorrow, going forward, so what will be the market like? We have some important earnings just popping out this week and market will react in a very different way. Well, you cannot expect the entire market to go green or red. The market might be mixed, but pay attention to the earnings especially. So guys, first of all, I want to talk about three stocks and let's see how they will going to react in the market tomorrow. The first is Palantir on a daily chart. This stock is just consolidating right between $160 and $153 roughly. So this is a consolidation going very tight, and I basically got no comments on this, and I'm not going to invest anything right now in Palantir. That's very clean and clear because we got a massive run right here. Look at this. And this pull off, that is totally fine, totally agreeable, and I am totally fine with this pull off. But if the case gets much worse, this stock might come down to $134, which I don't think so it will. But we can get an opportunity to get by at $145 in the worst case, right? One leg more down, and then we just go up. So this can be for Palantir 145, but if it keeps continuing above $164, okay, that can be my buying point. But again, right now I'm not buying anything. This is for Palantir. So the next stock will be what? Nvidia. What's going on with Nvidia? Look at this run, massive run, and look at this. It got stuck right here in the consolidation, right? This is where the stock has just got stuck, $182 between $170. So now the stock can come back down to $170, and back and forth it can make these kind of back and forth moves. But if you're really smart, if you're playing options and all, and you know what's the next move based upon the daily chart or a 4-hour chart, of course you can just play out very well and you can print a heck of a lot of money. Now, how do you make money in the stock market? If these moves are not really so massive, and how do you just pick your trade? And well, you can choose a bunch of other stocks. Like example, take a look at this. This is our group right here. So for example, Affirm, AFRM, buy at $94.33, sell at $98.11, second selling point at $99.83. So basically buy at $94.33 and sell at $99.83. So let's go to Affirm right here. Okay. AFRM, Affirm. So we'll go to 5 minutes chart and see what is going on, what went with Affirm right here, okay? Excuse me. Now, this is where the market got open yesterday. Day before yesterday, and my buying point was $94.33 and selling was $99.83. Okay, $94.33. I'm gonna draw right here, $94.33. Okay, this was my buying point right here. And where was my selling point? $99.83. So basically, this was my selling point right here. So as you see here, I posted this trade, buy at $94.35, sell at $99.83. Right here is 82, but I'm not getting that exactly 83. So 83 was my selling point, and everyone closed that trade. Look at the numbers right here. Buy at 94.33, sell at 98.11, and the second selling point was 99.83. Everyone hooked that trade up, and look at Affirm profit. Someone made $46,000. Someone made $2,800. Someone made $13,000, $8,000. So $48,000, $230, $15,000. Guys, take a look at this profits right here. So $37,000. Now, things got better and better here, right? They were really amazing. Now, people follow this trade exactly. They copy paste the trades on their platform and they generate a good amount of profit right here. So now you got it here. 94.335, 99.83 was my selling point. Exactly what the call I gave it, and happened exactly. It topped out $100 sharp and just flushed down. Now, this was the move exactly. If you would have been in the group, you would have copied and pasted the trade and generated a lot of money. Even if you would have taken probably 500 shares, you would have printed $3,000 pretty easily, guys. Don't waste your time. Don't think of, oh, I got to spend $25 by joining the group. I kept $25 because I want quality people to focus here. Not all garbage people just get in free in the Discord and make this group as a garbage group. No. I know people who are smart, they'll spend even $5, $25, whatever, and that everything goes to charity here. So basically, you can stop drinking 2 coffees and join the group and see what amount of attention you get to your portfolio, and you will see the results right there. People are making a lot of money. You can come, you can communicate with anyone, you can ask questions, you can be friends, you can talk to them, the other investors right there, and see how they're investing and learn from that. Don't gamble in the market, because we don't gamble in the stock market. We pick up the trade according to the market and see how the market goes. Exactly. With that position, we just move in the market and just lock the trade, guys. So all this said, let's go to S&P 500 chart. So I want to see what's the chart is saying, okay? Now I want to go to 4 hours chart to see where we are standing right now in the market. Okay, since the last massive drop down, look at this pump. Look at this massive pump, okay? This is a huge pump right here. So are we going to go down to this? Yes, possibly can. We can come down to 640 points right here. That's not a lot, but again, this is 4 hour chart. If I go to daily chart, we'll see a little different picture, but still we are going on a very, very good pace. What I'm seeing right here is to this pullback and again pop up right above. So what I'm seeing, market will make all-time high again, and probably by the end of the year it will make another all-time high. So 2 times all-time high, and the next year, new year starting, the market will drop down. So this year market will pop, and in January the market will drop down. It basically, it's kind of a short position. You can just play around in the market in the January, but mostly it's happening since past 5 years. It's happening the same when the New Year is approaching. New Year is coming. Of course, the market is dropping down massively, so you can take advantage of that. Think very carefully where you're investing, how you're selecting stock. We have all small cap stocks, large cap stocks, all sort of stocks we have. And if the market is really bad, we tell you not to trade and protect your account and protect your portfolio, not to waste even a single penny in the stock market, so that you don't have to waste time recovering those losses. So be very, very careful where you're picking your trade and with whom are you trading, and be very wise when choosing a trade. Don't just be behind money. See how the market is flowing, and based on that, you pick your trade. And if you want, the link is down in the description of the Patreon. You can come and join, and you'll get the access to the group of the Discord, and you can come see how it's trading. And if you want, you can come and trade with us, or else it's just totally fine. Maybe you can come and have a visit and see if it goes good. You can stay. If it doesn't go as good, you can just leave off. That's all. So, but it's a how can I say? You can ask anyone in their group how they are performing, and they will be telling you the results. So S&P 500, Nvidia and Palantir. I'm not seeing such big moves, but S&P 500, of course, it might pop up to another all-time high. But if the Nvidia just pops out to the next, if it breaks $182, then Nvidia will go to nearly $200. Palantir, I'm not having any word, not even a single comment. if it doesn't cross $162. Palantir. So keep that in mind. So that's all for today, and probably see you in the next video. Hopefully you like the video and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, guys. Support the channel. I'm trying to help you out and see how the market goes, and trying to give you some information which is raw and legit. No gambling, no shit stuff, no garbage stuff, no scamming, no bullshit, no wasting time, because time is money. I understand your time is very, very valuable. So save your time, print money, don't gamble in the market. Thank you. Probably see you in the next video, guys.